Okay, we're going to try constant XZ motion ratio based printing of gold meanders on aluminum oxide from 0.5 millimeter diameter wire onto pure aluminum oxide at 30,000 RPM with a surface feed rate of 45 millimeters per minute and an XZ ratio of 80 throughout the entire operation. So with no further ado, I'm going to turn the spindle on and start the deposition. Contact.